What's up to all those alone in the zone? It's the one that radiates when he illustrates, John Eli Lopez, on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. All you need to follow along is a pencil, sketch pad / paper as I take you through the various stages of the aging process. So, okay, let's go. I'll be drawing a male. We're gonna do a baby, a teenager. I'm just getting the ovals the way I need them, an adult, just spacing them out, and a senior, all the same person. Okay, I'm first starting with the baby. I did my T in the middle, getting the eyes situated. Usually in your infant stages, your eyes are a little more pronounced, much larger than they are as you start to age. Usually you can tell from the shape of the nose that sticks with you throughout your life, your eye shape. So I'm trying to make those things unique to this character. The shape of your ears. You know, some people say all babies look alike, but certain features are unique. And there we go. Just add a little shadow there. And this is just going to be a tutorial with quick sketches. We're not going to do full renders. We're not fully rendering these characters. But I will be laying them all out. So I want you guys to see that, you know, it is all the same character. You know, and sometimes, you know, when you're sketching, you want to always keep that eraser nearby just in case you need to correct certain features. I think the left eye there, I don't like that, so I'm just kind of making that a little smaller. And yeah, we're laying those things out. The eyebrows here, still not too happy. I think the eyes might be a little too close together, so I'm gonna decide in a little bit if I'm gonna spread them out a little bit. Of course, you know, babies usually their cheeks are a little fluffy there, and everything is more compact. And we're coming along. It's a cute little kid right there. All right, now we're gonna move on, and same character, same features, but in his teenage years, the awkward years. Same shape nose, same shape eyes, just not as big. The ears, same shape. And the cheeks are not as fluffy, you know, not as pinchable. Because when you're a kid, when you're getting into the teenage years, your face starts to stretch out much more than when you were an infant. So there we go. Once I have all the pieces in, I left room for his hair. You know, that's the stage in your life when your hair is just growing and flowing. You know, you usually have a lot of hair in your teenage years. You know, and mind you, we're doing average, you know, so of course, you know, there are some people who fall into different characters. I mean, you know, fall into different categories, but if at a teenager you're starting to bald, something ain't right. I feel your pain. But as a teenager, that's when your hair is at its fullest stage. All right? So this guy, he falls anywhere between, you know, 13 and 19. And there we go. Now we're moving on to his adult years. Keeping that same shape nose. The lips, I'm sticking to the same type of shape. That doesn't have to be exact like the baby, but the nose and the shape of the ears needs to be the same. But you can get away with, editing the eyes and the lips a little bit. You know. And as you move on in your adult hair and your adult years, your hair is not as that's when the hairline starts to recede a bit. Yeah, he's still good. Hairline is still good, but you know, doesn't have the afro as he did when he was in his teens. And I'm making his age here, I guess between his 30s and his 40s here, as he's a young adult here, middle-aged adult man. And you see the jaw is more defined. We're going to give him some facial hair. And he's coming together. It's a young man right there. There he goes. All right. Little shadow there on the side. And now, same shape jaw. Nothing really changes as far as the head structure. Eyes still around the same. It's just the features surrounding the eyes and the face and the nose and the mouth. Those start to droop a bit, and you get some, the wrinkles start to come in. Trying to keep the similar shaped lips, the nose there, similar eyes. Definitely, I want to get just the placement of where the wrinkles will go for his eyes. And once I start putting that in, you already see the age. The wrinkles there on the side of the nose, the lips. It's coming together. As you see, I'm sketching it out as, and I'm happy with all of the placement. That's when we go darker. The wrinkles and the bags under the eyes. That definitely, same shape ears. The hairline is done. He's still a lucky old guy. He still has some hair on the top of his head. His facial hair is gone. And we are getting all the pieces in there. Just erasing, touching up some of the other guys there. And some wrinkles under the mouth there. And, some people get more wrinkles on the forehead, some don't. I'm still deciding if I'm going to add some on his forehead because that is not mandatory. Get rid of the T in the middle. I decided to add the wrinkles on his forehead and separate the baby's eyes a bit. This tutorial was really just to show you guys the aging process. This is the final of all the stages of this person here. And after the old guy, there's nothing there but the light. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, got some value from it. If you did, push that subscribe button 6 feet deep. Hit the like, leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.